Very good morning all, one and all present here in this auditorium. On behalf of St. Teresa's School, I welcome Honorable Chairperson, Mrs. Vibha Khanna ma'am, Honorable Director, Shri Raja Raman Khanna sir, Honorable Director, Shri Vijay Kumar Gulati sir, proud parents, learned teachers, and my beloved children, those who are present at the back of the curtain. I hope that my tiny tots, they are going to rock the stage. I have monitored, I have seen their practice since months. Here, this program will be of 1.5 hours only. But this 1.5 hours, I have seen months and months practice of the children, teachers, and of course, without your support parents, it would have not been possible. So I am really thankful for your support also. Your support always will be needing parent support because there is a long journey we have to complete. Our director's vision is to produce confident, skillful, very creative children, responsible, which will be converted into the responsible citizen with Indian values. And we share our director's vision. We are working for that. And again, I am demanding for your cooperation. We should share that vision and all stakeholders should work on the common vision so that we can produce responsible citizen with Indian values. Dear parents, you have given us your precious gift. I don't think anything in your life is important than your children. And it is our responsibility that we should take care very nicely of your children. We should carve them into a desirable shape. Ladies and gentlemen, school is this vision is our shared responsibility. Whatever the vision our directors are having, that is our shared responsibility, and collectively we should work to grow them in desirable direction. And to do so, character building is important. It is very, very important apart from the knowledge. We all know that you are sending your children for gaining the knowledge, but apart from the knowledge, character building is very, very much important. And for character building, we need your 100% support. Because here in the school, children, they are for few hours only. Rest of the hours, rest of the day, children are with you. And it is, you all know that the best way to imbibe any of the value, any of the habit, when they see in their surrounding, these things are happening, unknowingly, children, they imbibe all those things inside them. So, ladies and gentlemen, apart from the knowledge gaining, what we are seeking from you, from the children, what we want to imbibe in the children, that is, first thing, we want definite schedule, that the schedule should be fixed. Many times Khanna sir has spoke about this little baby sitting, and many times sir spoke about her habits when she was, I think, few days old, and since then the habit of her time to go to bed was developed, and now every time in every speech sir is saying at 9 it is her habit to go to the bed. Automatically now her habit has been developed, and hardly she is, I think, 1.5 years old. Right? So this is the example, live example. If you will be building the schedule, if you will be developing that habit in the children, not only to go to the bed, what is the time to study, to play, to read. And for reading, I would like to say, please define one time, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever suits you. Whole family should sit together and read any of the things, any magazine, any book, newspaper, so that the children, they should see you, and they should, since the starting, they should develop this habit of reading. You know that these nursery kids, how much importance of the reading is there. When they read, you know that phonics books are there, story books are there, in which big pictures, colorful pictures are there, and only one sentence is there. So, in the starting, they need little help. Here we are following the Jolly Phonics. With the help of Jolly Phonics, your child will be able to read. And since the starting, you will be able to develop that habit of reading. And once you will be able to develop the habit of reading, imagination, visualization, sentence formation, vocabulary, thinking skills, everything all together you will be able to develop in your child. The problem that you people are facing, that children, they are cramming the things. When the examinations are there, that time the children, they are just studying and studying. That problem will be vanished when this reading habit will be developed. Your child will be able to frame the sentences. Only the child needs to understand the concept. Answered by herself or by himself, your child will be able to write. So that the stress of the examination will be removed. This is very, very important activity that should be inculcated at this time also. Then perseverance and grit. We have one child only, or maximum 2 children are there, and every time we want to keep them on lap only, right? If my child is struggling for a small thing, then what we people are doing? Immediately we are helping the child. Do not do that. Let your child struggle. Little bit if help is needed, little bit you can help. But if your child will be struggling, brain will be struggling, many things child will be learning. One thing is thinking skills, how to resolve that problem. Another thing is problem solving skills. That automatically you will be imbibing in your children, right? So, just if your child is struggling in any of the, whether it is reading, writing, making the blocks, solving the puzzles, little bit let him or her think. And after that, if you are thinking, if you are observing your child is not able to do, then little help should be given to, whole answer should not be given to them. Little help should be given to them, so that again they should start thinking, and by themselves they will be able to do those things. Conflict management, that is very, very important thing. At this age also we struggle a lot. Sometimes if from my viewpoint, a person who's sitting in front of me does not agree, what happened? Hot discussions, right? And then again it turn up into the fighting. So if we as a parent, consciously we will be discussing on the problem instead of fighting. There may be 2 different viewpoints. Acceptance of another views is also important, and it will start from family only, right? Maybe whatever your wife is saying, you may not agree, or whatever your husband is saying, you may not agree with that. We can discuss those things, respect another viewpoint also, understand this thing from my point of view, maybe this thing is wrong, but from another point of view, maybe the same thing is right. So if you will be discussing in good manner you will be finding the solution, and same thing will be inculcated in your child also. And once we will be inculcating this habit in the children, many of the things, many of the problems, whether in the family or in the organization, we can resolve those problems. Love for others, responsibilities, abilities, abiding by the rules, law-abiding citizen. Every time we are complaining, when we are on the roads, every time we are complaining, you just drive and your temperament will be different. How these people are driving the cars, they do not know how to do all those things, right? So if everybody will be law-abiding, then we will not be facing that problem. So this thing, if any norm is there, it will start from family. If family rules are there, then everybody should follow that family rules. It should not happen. Only family rules are there for children. Parents should not follow all those things. Or family rules are there for the parents. The another person who is there in the family should not follow. So whenever you are making the family rules, first discuss amongst them and then make the family rules and make it a rule that everybody will be following that rule. Then the child is coming to the school. In the school, whatever rules are there should be followed very nicely, right? Discipline. Whole success depends on the discipline only. And here your child is going to spare 14 years or 15 years minimum. And these 15 years, if we will not make them disciplined, then school is not school. And we need your cooperation here. It will start since morning. When you are coming in the school, whatever school timing is there, within that time, child should enter into the school. If your child is late, then let him or her realize you are late. It should not happen. There could be many reasons. It could be your fault. It could be unavoidable circumstances. But if realization of the thing will be there, then discipline automatically will come into your child. Creativity, empathy. Empathy is the biggest thing that we people are facing. मेरे लिए सब कुछ हो जाए ठीक, सामने वाला भाड़ में जाए, right? So that should not be there. If another person is struggling, child should have that feeling. You know that child is struggling. I should help him or her. Or how much pain that child is feeling, that should be felt. Helping others, curiosity, gratitude, self-control, hope and optimism, and acceptance of failure. This acceptance of failure and self-control, I would say two things we have to make them understand since starting. Self-control, small toffee is there. You can start with small toffee. Keep small toffee in front of your child. Children, they like chocolates or toffee very much, right? And tell them, if 10 minutes your child you will not be taking this, you will be getting 2, right? This is an example how the self-control can be developed into the children. Because they are very small, so not only toffee, anything that they like. So how to control for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, for half an hour, how to control all those things, you should make them learn. And then the failure, how to accept the failure. For this, now you see how many societal cases are there. Why? Because child was not able to get good marks. Why? Because teacher has scolded. Why? Because mother has scolded the child. For that, societal cases are there because we never make them learn to accept the defeat. Child is just thinking that this is my failure. How come my mother scolded me? How come teacher scolded me in front of 40 children? So since the starting, if you will be making them learn how to accept the failure, your child will be a successful person, right? So I would not take your much time. Sometime we'll be sitting together and we'll be discussing many things, because I want these nursery kids, when they will be passing out from 12th standard, really, whatever such vision is there, they should be responsible global citizen with Indian values. I wish you and my children all the best for this program, and I want that this morning should be a very warm and vibrant morning. Thank you so much.